Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to view completed tasks in Todoist. So in a specific project or section, open the project where your tasks used to live. So I have it right here, getting started. This is my first project here. So I will click on that one. You see here, I have bunch of Todoist. Now, what we are going to do. Okay, so what we are going to do is head over here to the top right corner where you see this three dot icon, more, and then what we are going to do, we will take a look here into the view activity. So click on that. Now you will see here some comments if you have them, or under the activity, you will see basically what you have done here in Todoist. So you see here that we have completed something. Uh, we also have uncompleted here. We added something. So yeah, it's not that organized. You also see from the different projects this stuff. But I think that if you are trying to get something out of it, you will get it pretty simple. So yeah, because you have really organized, so you see here where you want to be. So let's say I want to go right here, and it shows me this one. Okay, now I have completed these three dots, view activity, and if I go now here, you will see it that I have completed. So yeah, this is pretty much it, how to view completed task in Todoist. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next